Hi, my name is Hamza Ayashi. This is a demo for my honors project code. So for my honors project, I'm doing a progressive web application using JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. The progressive web application is about ride sharing, and I called it SmartRide. So as I mentioned in my interim report, one of the main files in the progressive web application is the service worker, which is a JavaScript file that intercepts the interaction between client side and server side, and caches the main files to provide either offline content or enhance the performance online by providing the cached information fetched by the user earlier, so that to avoid fetching them again from the internet. For the database, I am using Firebase Firestore database provided by Google. It provides many functionalities, either online or offline. Online by instant update, and offline by interacting with IndexedDB, which handles the user interactions offline and then synchronizing the background once the user is reconnected again to the database through the internet. So if we go to the application, here is the interface of the application on the browser, on Google Chrome. As you can see, the user interface is not that complex. I didn't focus a lot on user interface as much as I focused on the functionalities offline and online for the PWA functionalities. So here we have the possible rides, and we have the driver, pickup, location, destination. These rides are listed from the Firebase database. Here you have, it's a non-SQL database which has a collection. For me, the collection is rides, and the documents is each ride is one document referenced by an ID to allow the access through the rides. So here we have 4, and here we have 4. If we want to add one ride, we can add here like test, and we go from like Grande to the ALC campus, and here if we choose the date, like today is the 8th, let's choose tomorrow, and we put at 14, which is 2 p.m. and here this is, we can put 3 and add. So we added it. So, and here is it, test, and it puts everything. If we go to, and we can see it here normally, and here maybe one of these ones. Yeah, this is the test, and AC, and add it here. So this button is like to join the ride. This button is to delete the ride. If this ride is Mike, the vacant seats is 4. If I click join, normally it updates, and there the vacant seats becomes 3. And if you go to the database, normally it should be Mike, yeah, and the places is updated to 3. So, and here delete. If we want to delete, we can delete like test. We can delete it. If we delete it, so you click, the user interface is updated. If you can observe it's updating without refreshing the page, just refreshing the user interface, that's because of the user interface file here, which renders or removes the content from the DOM interactively, so that with the synchronization with the database, without refreshing the page again. We don't need to refresh the page again to see the changes. That's the change. That's the importance of the user interface.js file. So if we can see here, it returns to 4 documents, means one ride is here 4 and here 4, so the test has gone. So if we go to the other, like the map is accessing the location. It shows you the map and your location. Of course, the first time it will ask you to allow the application to access the device location. The contact page is a simple page. Yeah. So this is the contact page, just simple page defining. So now I want to go offline and try to reload the first page. So if we go offline, as you can see here, I'm offline now without Wi-Fi, you can see, and I'm gonna, so now we will try the offline mode provided by the service worker. So I go home, and if you can see, all the content is provided here and offline. This is like the power of the service worker. If we inspect the page, I want to inspect to see the source of the content coming to this page. So I will reload again to see the content. And if you can see here, everything is coming from the memory, the service worker, memory, cache. So it's the cached information popping up here to fill the user interface. And here there is the failed requests. Failed requests are when the page is requesting, when the client side is requesting for content through the internet and it's failing because we are offline. So what the service worker do? It just redirects those requests to the cache and to provide content. If you see here, all the content is coming from the memory cache of the service worker. So this is the power of the service worker to provide offline user interface and offline experience. So I want to go more with offline experience. If we can we like join a ride offline? That's like, if I click here, this is Mike, yeah? This is the first one. If I click, we have the vacant seats are free. If I click to join Mike, and I am offline, like the user interface have updated again without refreshing the page. If we observe that, and Mike and the leave seats became 2. So it's updating here, but is it updating in the Firebase? No, it's still 3. For Mike, it's still 3. So here, the Firebase, I am using the Firestore service provided by the Firebase. Firestore connects with the IndexedDB of the browser. IndexedDB, you can see it here. So if you go application, here is the service worker. Yeah, this is the service worker running, and here the IndexedDB. The IndexedDB is like providing a database for the cache. Like it provides the information, the information, the data from the Firebase, from the latest visit to Firebase. It's connected through Firestore of the Firebase. It provides, like if we go to remote documents, we can see here we have 4. Yeah, so we have 5. 1 is null. So here we can see the content real time, content collection. Yeah, you can see here 4 contents. So the IndexedDB interacts with the user interface the same way as the Firebase interacts with the user interface to provide the same experience offline, but without updating the Firebase because we are offline. But here I am gonna connect again. You can see here it's still 3. Yeah, I'm gonna connect to the internet. I'm gonna wait for it to see the update. So once you are connected to the internet, the IndexedDB should synchronize directly with Firebase, exactly, and it has connected. It has updated here to 2. I didn't do anything. It has updated it, synchronized it through the background. So the same thing if you want to add or delete, we can try even to delete. So it's the same thing. Let's just go to audit. So the audit here is provided by Google Chrome. It audits, it assesses the application. If you want to assess the performance, here there is an assessment for PWA. Here there is the best practices, the accessibility, and the SEO. So I want to assess this application and see the percentage that we can get through the report. So here the lighthouse is warming. It may take a bit of time. Yeah, and the connection is not very well, so the performance might not be that much good. But generally, this is what I will use for testing the app. So yeah, so the report, as I said, the performance here, it differs actually with the internet conditions and the stuff. but most of them are good. The performance, it can differ from internet speed to another. So yeah, this is the what I am going to use for PWA. Yeah, page load is not fast enough. That's the only yeah, because of network. Current page response, all of them are good PWA. Just if we try it on a good network, we can get better results for this. I'm gonna try the app on Google Chrome Canary. Actually, Google Chrome Canary is like Google Chrome for developing. It's another version of Google Chrome. I am gonna do the audit here also. So I am gonna audit this app also on Google Chrome Canary. I'm gonna running the audit. So generate the report. I'm gonna refresh first here. So I'll generate the report. So let's see the results here. Yeah. So it may take some time as the other one. Yeah, so here you see the performance is better. Maybe because the cache of the other of Google, of the normal Google Chrome is full, so this one is better because it's doesn't have a lot of cache yet. And I am using the recorder online, so it may take a lot of cache from the browser. That's why the normal Google Chrome is about. But here you can see the performance is very well. The accessibility and the progressive web app, the application meets all the requirements of progressive web app. You can even try it. I will send you the link for this one. I am using the app actually online, and I am hosting it with Firebase. It's not localhost. That's why when I go offline, it doesn't connect. So it's not localhost. It's online. So this is I hosted it on Firebase database. So yeah, you can try this. You can see the results on different. I tried to do an inspect on Firefox, but it doesn't have an audit. I think the audit is only provided by Google products, Google Chrome, because Lighthouse is a Google dev tools. So I didn't find but we can try to run I tried even Firefox Developer Edition, but I didn't get any result. I didn't get any audit functionalities there. So, but we can try the app to be sure that it's cross-platform, cross-browser. So here, this is not now. You can try the application here. Yeah, so it's running. Might take some time given the internet conditions. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna stop the video. I'm gonna run in the Android emulator to run the application emulator and to see how does it fit in an Android device. So just a few minutes, and so here, as you can see, I have run the application just through Google Chrome browser on the Android emulator. So it's the same looking, it's fitting the screen, but the innovative thing about the PWA, it asks you to add the application to the home screen. It's like you are in App Store and you download the app. This is when you click add to the home screen. Normally it should create a shortcut to the application to the home screen. So now I have added it to the home screen. If I go if I close this one, here you can see it has been added to the home screen. If I click it again, like it starts like an Android application. So you don't feel even it's a browser. So it takes its time. Exactly. So this is because of the standalone in the manifest.json file. So it takes all the screen and you don't feel it's a browser. If I click here to update the one here, mic becomes 1. If I refresh,